Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about these super cute kids KN95 masks. Kind of helps a little bit better at protecting others from getting sick if you are sick yourself. So these are really nice because they fit a child's face, and then if your little one has a little bit of a smaller face, it has an adjustable strap here so that you can adjust it up and down and you're not having to fight with the straps to make little knots and get it to fit your little one's face. So it is very cute. It comes in so many fun colors, so your little one can pick what color they want for the day, and it just is a nice quality mask. As you can see, it has the nose band and then all the ventilation as necessary. So we love these. We definitely recommend them, and that is my point of view.